Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through the process I took to turn my concrete stairs into deck stairs. The first step is to remove the old railing. Here I'm measuring the height of the riser. I'm also measuring the length of the step. Now I'm cutting multiple pieces for the risers and the length of the steps out of pressure treated 2x4s. I'm using a masonry bit to drill into the concrete. Your drill must have a hammer drill function for this to work properly. I've added a tape to the bit as a marker to know when I should stop. I then drill the piece of 2x4 to the concrete with a Tapcon screw. Since my stairs have a lip at the end, I need to make sure I line up the top lumber with the pieces on the risers. If you have a flat step, this will be much easier. My concrete stairs aren't leveled, so I'm using spacers to level it out. If you decide to keep the spacers after drilling the lumber, make sure to use pressure treated wood for the spacers. Don't forget to stay hydrated. This is how the base looks. The work we've done so far will allow us to screw the planks to the stairs. It's always a good idea to lay out the planks beforehand to see if you need to make any cuts so everything fits properly. I started by putting the thin piece I cut at the back of the step. Don't forget to put planks on the side to finish it off. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to transform your concrete stairs to wood steps. Please like, comment, and subscribe.